Hello and welcome to the walkthrough for these brand new 4-bedroom plus maids townhouses in Furjan East. As soon as you walk in, you will see a very modern layout with floating stairs. On your left, you will have your downstairs bathroom, some storage, and a very decent sized maid's room plus ensuite. Further on the left hand side, you have your downstairs bedroom with ensuite bathroom and beautiful built-in wardrobe. It's a very spacious bedroom which also has access to the outside where you will have a private swimming pool. So these similar layouts in the Furjan West and Furjan North is sold out, and they've just opened up the new section in Furjan East for these townhouses. You have a beautiful semi-closed kitchen and also a large and spacious open plan living and dining area. Beautiful floor to ceiling windows and sliding doors gives you that natural light in your house. As you can see, here's your garden area with a nook swimming pool and a decent space. The property reaches a built-up area of over 3,200 square feet. As we head upstairs, straight ahead, you will have your master's bedroom. With your walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom. So this specific property will be overlooking a green belt on the back end side. But like I said, the Furjan North townhouses is sold out. So these are available in East Furjan now. Heading on, you have a mid balcony. You also have a pantry with an upstairs family living area. Very beautiful design and user-friendly layout. More than enough for a family. Heading on, this is the upstairs second bathroom. This will also be a shared bathroom between the second and the third upstairs bedroom. All bedrooms has built-in wardrobes. This is the third upstairs bedroom, which also has a shared balcony to the next door bedroom. Very interesting about this property is that they had approval to have an indoor staircase all the way to the roof, which is fantastic because they also created a usable rooftop space for all the townhouses. Like I said, this will back the green belt, but these ones are sold out. The same properties are available in Furjan East, which is a very high demand area. Beautiful and spacious property, over 3,200 square feet in built up area. If you do need any other or further information, please contact the details provided.